Embodying G-Shock's core values, wrapped in a hardy package yet retaining sharp accuracy and functionality, is the GA110-1B. The GA110 lineup, released 12 years ago in 2010 to much commercial success. They were an instant hit among watch enthusiasts across the globe and continue to be loyal daily wears for many. This particular model embraces the tough qualities of a classic G-Shock while utilizing specks of shiny silver to improve legibility and add a touch of glitz. Most obviously, this splash of shine appears on the indices and the hour and minute hands, which include a touch of lume on the tips. One thing I love about the dial is the inclusion of these cog-shaped parts assembled in the center wheel. They're attached to the hands and make it seem like the inner mechanics of the watch protrude from under the dial, which is pretty cool. Another feature G-Shock excel at is making use of a digital and analog combination to display as much crucial information as possible at one time. Two small screens adorn the face and include the day of the week at 12 o'clock and the date at 6 o'clock, along with a second counter at about 4 o'clock. The matte black resin case measures in at 51.2 millimeters across, making these very big watches, but we're all used to the oversized G-Shock look by now, so it's not really an issue. That being said, it only weighs 72 grams, making it a very easy daily wear. We all know that G-Shocks are shock and water resistant, but did you know that they're also resistant to magnetic fields that have potential to magnetize the movement, making them inaccurate? These GA110s are JIS Class 1 magnetic resistant certified, making them completely resistant to most magnetic forces you'd encounter in your day-to-day life. Things like microwaves, power tools, and speakers have their own magnetic field that can mess up the movement. Look, there's nothing bad to say about these watches. On the wrist, they wear pretty big, but will stay firmly put thanks to the double prong buckle and resin band. Inside is a quartz movement that includes a fully auto calendar to the year 2099, powered by a CR1220 battery that should supply 2 years of life to the timepiece. Alright, there we have it, a classic G-Shock worthy of any collection. If you'd like to shop our Casio G-Shock GA110 range, hit that link in the description to check them out online at watchdepot.com.au. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.